Alright, this is Omari. Asking Kyla. Oh shit, World Star! Oh, Cloverfield! Alright. I'm gonna be late to class, but I can give 2 fucks of what's going on right now. Oh yeah. I've always thought Omari was a gay, but till this day, he wanted Kyla the whole time. Oh, here it is. Oh, fuck yeah, Jungle Fever. Hella yellow. Oh, oh damn. Homecoming, I'm coming through. I'm coming through. Oh, oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh, oh yeah. I'm about to close it. I'm about to close it on them now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Kyla, how do you feel about being asked out by the biggest black guy with the biggest dick on the team? How do you feel? How do you feel, Kyla?
Good.
Biggest black dick on the team. How do you feel? All right.